The natural world is a tapestry woven with countless wonders. From the towering redwoods to the smallest blade of grass, plants possess an extraordinary ability. They can create their own food, a feat that seems almost magical. This process, known as photosynthesis, is the foundation of life on Earth. It's a story of sunlight, water, and air, transformed into energy and sustenance. Photosynthesis is a vital process. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own food. This process takes place in chloroplasts, tiny structures within plant cells. It's a remarkable transformation of simple ingredients into complex sugars. These sugars fuel the plant's growth and development. Sunlight is the driving force behind photosynthesis. Plants have evolved to harness the energy of the sun. They capture light energy using a pigment called chlorophyll. This energy is crucial for converting water and carbon dioxide into sugars. Without sunlight, photosynthesis would grind to a halt. Chlorophyll gives plants their vibrant green color. It plays a critical role in photosynthesis. This pigment resides in chloroplasts and acts like a solar panel. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy from the sun, particularly in the red and blue wavelengths. This captured energy is then used to power the chemical reactions of photosynthesis. Section 5. Water and carbon dioxide. Essential ingredients. Water and carbon dioxide are essential ingredients in the photosynthesis recipe. Water, absorbed through the roots, provides the hydrogen atoms needed to build sugar molecules. Carbon dioxide, entering through tiny pores on leaves, provides the carbon atoms. These elements, combined with sunlight's energy, form the building blocks of life. Section 6. The photosynthesis process. A step-by-step guide. Photosynthesis is a fascinating and vital process that sustains life on Earth. It is the means by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy, providing the foundation for the food chain. In this section, we will delve into the intricate steps of photosynthesis, breaking it down into easily understandable stages. Photosynthesis occurs in two main stages: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. These stages work together seamlessly to convert light energy into a form that plants can use to grow and thrive. Let's explore each stage in detail to understand how this remarkable process unfolds. In the light-dependent reactions, light energy splits water molecules, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This stage takes place in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplasts, where chlorophyll and other pigments absorb light. The absorbed light energy excites electrons, which then travel through the electron transport chain, leading to the splitting of water molecules. This process not only releases oxygen, but also produces protons and electrons that are essential for the next steps. This process also generates energy-carrying molecules, ATP and NADPH, needed for the next stage. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, acts as an energy currency, while NADPH, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, serves as a reducing agent, carrying high-energy electrons. These molecules are crucial for the synthesis of organic compounds in the subsequent stage of photosynthesis. In the light-independent reactions, carbon dioxide is captured from the atmosphere. This stage occurs in the stroma of the chloroplasts, where the enzyme ribulose 1005-bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase, commonly known as Rubisco, plays a key role. Rubisco catalyzes the fixation of carbon dioxide, incorporating it into an organic molecule called ribulose bisphosphate, RuBP. Using the energy from ATP and NADPH, carbon dioxide is fixed into organic molecules, eventually forming glucose, a simple sugar. This series of reactions is known as the Calvin cycle, which involves three main phases: carbon fixation, reduction, and regeneration of Ru-BP. During these phases, the energy from ATP and the reducing power of NADPH are used to convert carbon dioxide into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, G3P, a 3-carbon sugar. Two molecules of G3P are then combined to form glucose. This glucose provides energy for the plant and serves as the building block for other essential compounds. Glucose can be used immediately for energy, stored as starch for later use, or converted into cellulose, which is a key structural component of plant cell walls. Through photosynthesis, plants not only sustain themselves, but also produce the oxygen we breathe and the food we eat, making it one of the most important biological processes on our planet. Section 7. The importance of photosynthesis, sustaining life on Earth. Photosynthesis is the foundation of almost all ecosystems on Earth. It is the primary source of energy for most living organisms. Plants, as primary producers, convert sunlight into a form of energy that other organisms can utilize. Herbivores obtain energy by eating plants, and carnivores obtain energy by consuming herbivores. Section 8. Beyond food, the wider impact of photosynthesis. Beyond food production, photosynthesis plays a crucial role in maintaining Earth's atmosphere. It removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releases oxygen as a byproduct. This process helps regulate Earth's climate and provides the oxygen that we breathe. Without photosynthesis, the atmosphere would become overloaded with carbon dioxide, leading to a runaway greenhouse effect. Section 9. Protecting the magic, safeguarding our planet's green lungs. Our forests, often referred to as the green lungs of the Earth, play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. They are not just a collection of trees, but a complex network of life that supports countless species, including humans. Protecting forests and other plant life is crucial for maintaining a healthy planet. These green expanses are responsible for producing the oxygen we breathe and for absorbing the carbon dioxide we exhale. They act as natural air purifiers, filtering out pollutants and providing clean air. The diverse plant life within these forests also contributes to the stability of the soil, preventing erosion and maintaining water cycles. Deforestation and habitat destruction reduce the Earth's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. When trees are cut down, not only is this carbon-absorbing capacity lost, but the carbon stored in the trees is also released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating global warming. The loss of forests also means the loss of habitat for countless species, leading to a decline in biodiversity. This contributes to climate change and disrupts delicate ecosystems. The removal of trees disrupts the water cycle, leading to changes in weather patterns and affecting agricultural productivity. The barren soil left behind is often unable to support new plant growth, leading to desertification and further loss of biodiversity. By conserving existing forests and planting new trees, we can help mitigate these effects and preserve the magic of photosynthesis. Reforestation efforts not only restore the carbon-absorbing capacity of forests, but also rebuild habitats for wildlife, support local communities, and enhance the natural beauty of our planet. Every tree planted is a step towards a healthier, more sustainable future for all living beings. Section 10. The future of photosynthesis, innovations and discoveries. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries about the intricacies of photosynthesis. Research into artificial photosynthesis aims to mimic this natural process to generate clean energy and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. By understanding and harnessing the power of photosynthesis, we can develop innovative solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Section 11. A world without photosynthesis. A sobering thought. Imagining a world without photosynthesis is a sobering thought. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy, producing oxygen as a byproduct. This process is fundamental to life on Earth. Without photosynthesis, the world would be a vastly different place. It would be a world devoid of most life as we know it. The lush forests, vibrant meadows, and diverse ecosystems that we take for granted would cease to exist. The very air we breathe would be compromised, as oxygen levels would plummet. Plants, as the primary producers of energy and oxygen, are essential for the survival of countless species, including humans. They form the base of the food chain, supporting herbivores, which in turn support carnivores. The intricate web of life that depends on plants is incredibly complex and delicate. Their ability to transform sunlight into life-sustaining energy is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. This process not only fuels the growth of plants, but also drives the entire biosphere. The energy captured by plants is transferred through the food chain, sustaining all forms of life. The oxygen released during photosynthesis is vital for the respiration of most living organisms, including humans. The loss of photosynthesis would lead to the collapse of ecosystems, the extinction of countless species, and a dramatic shift in the planet's climate. The balance of life on Earth is intricately linked to this remarkable process. It is a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains our world and the importance of preserving the natural processes that support life. As we reflect on the significance of photosynthesis, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect and nurture the environment. The future of our planet depends on our actions today. Let us cherish and safeguard the natural world, ensuring that the miracle of photosynthesis continues to sustain life for generations to come.